So today we're gonna make turn cornmeal. We call it ton cornmeal in Jamaica. So you put to heat a pot on low, add cornmeal. This is half pound of refined cornmeal. And you just add it to the pot. Add water. Add water. And just turn. And then cover it slightly. Kind of just work it in. Then you just cover it entirely and keep the stove on low. It's that low for the ton cornmeal, between very low. This is how it looked after 15 minutes. Just turn it. The ingredients for ton cornmeal is half pound of refined cornmeal, quarter teaspoon of salt, sea salt, a quarter dice cut of onions, pepper, a half piece of pepper. Don't cut it, just cut it in half. And quarter pound of mixed vegetable, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, water, 2 cups of water, 2.5 cups of water. Continuing ton cornmeal to a frying pot, add it to a stove, add oil. Small piece at a time, like half of your one finger. After 1 minute, add the onion. Just gonna saute the onion. After 1 minute, turn the stove off. Add the mixed vegetable, the thyme and the pepper. And you can add the salt to this or to that, but add the salt. So this has been 35 minutes and this is what it looks like. So now add the vegetables and all this to this. And just stir it. You can add black pepper to this just to get some attraction, but I don't really use black pepper, so I'm not going to. And you can also add any kind of herbs and spices, but what I'm cooking this with, I'm not gonna add anything else. So you just stir this. And cover it and just let it stay. This is what it looks like after 45 minutes in total. So it's finished. You can turn it off. If you feel like, you can run it for an hour. It won't hurt. That way you'll make sure that it's broken down properly. But this is finished. Turn cornmeal. Turn cornmeal. Turn cornmeal. Turn cornmeal. Rendering. Turn cornmeal and red herring. Turn cornmeal and red herring.